Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a very cool and very common chord progression known as the 6-4-1-5. Okay, so I'm in the key of C. So in the key of C, C is chord number 1. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the 7 chords that we find in the key of C. So when we say 6-4-1-5, these are the chords we're talking about. So this is chord 6, and this is chord 4, and then chord 1, and chord 5. So when I play them in that order, I might have something like this. In some cases, I might just decide to play each chord maybe just twice instead of 4 times like I did earlier. I might just go. And I'm sure as I'm playing this, you're already hearing certain familiar songs. For instance, Africa by Toto. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. 6-4-1-5. So already that's one easy song that uses the 6-4-1-5 chord progression. Or this J-Lo song, Ain't Your Mama. Oh, I ain't your mama. Oh, I ain't your mama. Same chords, right? Another one that I've got here is John Legend, All of Me. You give me all of you, and I give you all of me. As I do this, pay no attention to my words because I'm terrible. I don't even know the words to most of these songs. Right. Another one I've got for you here is Apologize by One Republic. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. 6, then 4, then 1 and 5. Another one I've got for you guys is Burn, right? Da 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 da. Cause we got the 5-5-5. Yeah, we got the 5-5-5. And we're gonna let it 6, then 4, then 1 and 5. Right? Another very cool one that I've got for you here is a song like Despacito. Despacito. I really don't know the words to that one, right? And another cool one here is by Coldplay, Fix You, right? Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face and here's another cool one. I think Bruno Mars, right? So Grenade. I would get you grenade. Yeah. 6-4. Okay. Another nice one here is by Adele. It's Hello. And the last one that I'm going to give you is Hall of Fame Da 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 da. The world's gonna know your name. So there you go. If you know your chord progressions, I've just given you 10 songs just like that. If you'd like some more songs, you can go to my website, www.wellroundedkeyboardplayer.com, and I've got a free ebook for you with more chord progressions and a whole lot more songs. Okay, enjoy.